MANU ole VAVEAO.
Okay fam, if you're ever here in Samoa and you want someone to go for lunch, come here because it's like a buffet, but it's more of like the salads and stuff, and then you order like your meat and stuff. But yeah, have a look. So yeah family, that was Samoana. We wanted to give them a special shout out. Their staff and just the place is so beautiful. You know, it's worth the money value, and especially traveling with a group. I wanted to make sure that all of us were all together, that my family had a kitchen so we could cook our own food, also be staying in one room. You know, it's awesome for groups because they have 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom apartments, and it's awesome because other hotels that we have stayed at, they don't have apartment or like bedrooms like this. So if you are traveling with a group and you're looking for somewhere to stay and you don't want to stay with Airbnb, go to booking.com and check out Samoana Boutique. They have awesome apartments there and they are really cheap, so it's worth the money value. Close to shops, you know, literally 2-minute walk to the shop on your left and literally 30-second walk to the shop on your right. So make sure you check out Samoana Boutique.
Also, the staff there are very helpful, so any kind of questions you guys have or any special requests, you just put it through to them and they just try and make it work for you.
6.5 hours later.
Georgie's Pizzas, guys. Alright family, so we are here at Georgie's Pizza. About to pick up some lunch. See the main road out here. Yeah, it's like a party place, bro. Show you guys some of the choices here. Boom, boom, boom. They got everything there. So yeah fam, for those of you that are big pizza eaters, come here to George's Pizza, they'll look after you. It looks pretty clean. So yeah, we'll show you guys what's up back home and let you know how it goes. Locked. And the big reveal.
The big reveal.
There it is.
Okay, so this one.
Ooh.
That's the... Actually, this is half pepperoni, half chicken.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's 3.
Oh, and this one's half chicken, barbecue chicken, and half meat.
And also, plug, taxi, sponsor us.
And...
Oh, and Fanta. Oh. There we have it fam. Gonna dig in. Oh, that's good. Shout out to my wife fam, she's so tired. Hashtag tired fam.
Hashtag tired.
A few moments later.
TUUMAI. I'm awake. Lol. Did you have a nap?
No, I did not have a nap.
I had a nap. It was a good nap. I don't even know why I was so tired. Must have been that feed that we had, eh honey? Right now we're just making our way over to my mom's sister's house. We wanted to go chill with the kids there and my auntie because she's so funny. So funny, isn't she, honey? So we're gonna go chill there, but we're trying to race there so we can beat the sun, because the last vlog that we were there we didn't get to shoot my auntie's like properly, so we wanted to get some footage because my auntie from Australia called yesterday, which is my mum's brother's wife. Shout out to you, Auntie Silonge. She called us yesterday to check up on mum. My auntie always just calls up now and then randomly to my mum to make sure she's okay. Her brothers do that as well, but mainly my aunties like Auntie Silonge and Auntie ALOFA, eh honey? Indeed. So we wanted to go and vlog the outside of my auntie's house so my aunties and uncles from Australia can see her house. So yeah, did I miss anything?
It's for you guys.
Iafusia ifa ama fana mai o ani fai ngatama ni pua le lo famoni e o ile oti bele e o yo le ma ata ua safo ina mai ele atua olo ola wala mona vai.
Happy New Year's!
Lelo famoni na o mana o iai. Lelo famoni na o mana o iai. Ua sola tu ua vai vai ai le fatu. Au italo fai le pele le ma.
Una! Hello! Okay, so this is the back of my auntie's house, and up over here they've built like other houses for my nephew and his little family. My cousin lives up there. I'm pretty sure he lives up there or there. I don't know. But yeah, this is their small little kitchen at the back.
Oh, bro, this has got nice ass. From before, eh? Hi.
Let's go over there. I want a maka. Okay.
Scooby.
Oh, you're really looking after the kids.
You're the man.
Solo. Where's your shoes? You don't need shoes?
So fam, just to give you a live feel of what it's like out here, it's like very peaceful, eh?
It really is. It's so quiet.
Peaceful, eh?
You could scream! And no one would care. No one would even hear you anyways.
Beautiful out here.
It's so beautiful here. We're gonna go see my nana's grave, which is down there, but we're also gonna go and take my nephew, his daughter, and my niece's kids for a little ride.
So there we have it, fam. That is Sera's grandma right here. God bless her soul. It's nice. Bit of a trek to get out here, but it's beautiful. Alright, brother, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so we are here at
The other DMC in the beer.
and we brought
The other kids.
the other kids. So we brought my nephews and niece's kids. So them, I don't know, it's just too confusing. So let's just call them the kids. So we brought these kids to DMC. We came to buy them some food, give them a little ride, and buy them some food, and then we'll go back home and we're gonna break bread together. Hey honey?
Break bread, family. That's what we do.
Okay, so we're just waiting for the food to be ready, and then we will head back home to Vailima.
As you can see, guys, we miss Lanston and Nathaya.
And Yavanna.
Karimi, Donnie, and Nas.
Alright family, we'll see you when we get up to Vailima. He's gonna go shower.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good boy, Puna. Good boy.
Later.
Hi! That's a packed house! Hey Jess. Wow guys. Hi, hi. Wow guys, it's a really packed house. Hey guys. Hey girl. Hey. I know her from Snapchat and Instagram. Hi Molly. This one was the one. Oh, it's so loud. It's so loud. Oh my goodness. This one was the one that was like, you know, if you know, you know. That was my husband's partner right there.
Solo, la familia la Paolo. Esa mi ila, fisiluya ele masila. Ifa apipe, nangalo tu.
Bye Nick. Bye Bali. Bye. 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 Bye guys. Bye guys. Safe travels tomorrow.
Samoa!